Welcome back. I'm with Noshi Golati and we're making dal soup. What goes in the soup?
Well, it's very easy dish to make. First of all, we put oil in the dish in a little bit heavy pot. That is good because it's going to take a little bit while to cook it. And after that, you put 1 teaspoon of mustard seed.
Now, while you're putting in the mustard seed, this is something very interesting I noticed about mustard seed. There's different colors of mustard seed because I was buying ones that were not quite looking like that. How do you know you're buying the right one?
In India, we usually have two kind of mustard seeds. One is a thick one and one is a thin one. Thin one is used for mostly pickles, and this one is used mostly in cooking.
I see.
Okay. So once it starts crackling, oops,
A little bit of splash there.
So you put garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic.
Already all chopped up.
All chopped up, grated, whatever is easy for you.
And this is ginger.
Spray a little bit on the back because the oil is hot. Okay, put oil to settle down now. Once we put this, and we put this tomatoes.
This seems to be quite a popular soup base.
It is
and
because
there's a lot of oil coming out of
yeah,
that.
we use it as a main dish also. And you can make this today I'm going to make it with vegetables, and I'm going to use bottle gourd. This is a vegetable I'm going to use. But this dish you can make with spinach, and you can make it with zucchini also because zucchini is more easily available here.
I've actually not seen this vegetable before. What is this vegetable?
It's called bottle gourd. It's squash family.
Oh, does it taste like a regular squash?
It's lighter than zucchini, and it's lighter than the other squash also.
And can you buy this in a regular grocery store?
Yes, I bought it in Food Basics. Yeah.
I wish you could smell this dish coming from the television set, but obviously you can't. It smells that garlicky smell that you're probably very familiar with. It smells so good.
So once the onion is all glazed out, and then you put your spice in it.
And what spice is that?
Salt.
And how much salt are you putting in?
I put 1 teaspoon of salt. Maybe I can use this spoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I put half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, coriander. Okay.
I noticed that you also turn the heat down.
Yes.
So you wait till after the onions and garlic are cooked,
Done, then
and then you
put
put the heat down.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we put 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric.
Now again, cumin seeds. I have the ground powder one at home. Is that an alternative you can use, or it has to be the seed?
You can use the alternative. It depends on your taste also. Some people like more whole grains in their vegetables, and some people like ground up spices.
What would be the difference in taste?
I think it will give you more nutty taste when you have the whole grains.
So it's preferred in soup?
Yeah, yes. And when it's ground up, it's mostly all kind of mixed taste with all the other spices. So we have all the spices here. Once the spices are all mixed, then you put your vegetable, whatever vegetable you're using. If you're using zucchini, you can put zucchini at this time, or if you're using, you can use fresh spinach, or you can use frozen spinach also.
But I'm wondering if you can actually mix the vegetables. Is it possible to add squash to this dish at this point?
Yes, it is possible. You can do that also. Okay. And then this chana dal, this dal was soaked for a couple of hours in water, and then you drain it, and then you put it in the thing. It helps it cooking a little bit faster.
Now, I have this chana dal at home.
Yes.
I tried using this dal, and I was really surprised at how versatile it is to use this dal particularly.
Oh yes, we have lots and lots of dishes. It's a high protein dal, and it's used with different. We can make pancakes with this dal also. We can make pakoras with this dal also, and you can use it in this soup.
Okay, so let's just show the people at home what this beautiful dish looks like. Now, how long will we be stirring this?
Well, it's once it's mixed, then we put water in it, and we are supposed to let it boil so the dal gets cooked. And the water is, I put 5 cups of water. It's one measurement to 5 times. Once you put water in it, then you have to boil it on high. Once it's boiling, then put the heat low, cover it, and let it cook for 25 minutes. You can check for the doneness at the end of the time. If it's not done, then you cook it for a little bit longer, and then the dish is done, and this is how it looks once it's done.
Now, what do you have on top of the soup?
That's where I put fresh coriander.
Now, you can eat this as soup,
Yes.
but you don't traditionally eat it as soup.
Well, in India we have lots of dals and we eat it every day, and this is our main dish. So we eat it with bread, naan bread, or we eat it with rice. But here you can use it with crackers, and you use it as soup also.
So nice for a cold day. A
Yes.
Nice warm soup. Have a try. I can really taste that nutty cumin seed in the dish. Hope you've enjoyed cooking with dal. See you again soon on South Asian Living.